Hello traders, welcome back to AM Trading Tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you a pocket option binary trading MT4 indicator and explain how to trade using its signals step by step in a very simple way. Before we start, a quick reminder, binary trading involves risk. This video is made only for educational purposes, not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and invest only what you can afford to lose. Now let's talk about this indicator. This indicator gives clear buy and sell arrow signals and also uses a breakthrough confirmation to help identify potential trade opportunities based on market movement. The price moves inside a channel, which acts like support and resistance. When the price touches the upper channel lines and a sell arrow appears, it indicates a possible sell setup. When the price touches the lower channel lines and a buy arrow appears, it indicates a possible buy setup. If the price is inside the channel, a sell arrow near resistance can be a valid sell signal. A buy arrow near support can be a valid buy signal. For best results, follow these basic rules. Use the 1-minute time frame. Keep 5-minute expiry. Trade only in the trend direction. Avoid trading near major news. Focus on European and New York sessions. To make this strategy even easier, I've created a free detailed strategy guide PDF that explains all rules in a very simple format. You can download the indicator and PDF from my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Now that you understand the rules clearly, let's move to the live chart examples and see how this strategy works in real market conditions. Now let me explain why I took this sell trade step by step. As you can see on the chart, the price is moving inside the channel, not outside. The market came up and reached the upper side of the channel, which acts as a resistance zone in our strategy. At the same time, the indicator generated a clear sell arrow exactly near this resistance area. This is very important because according to our rules, we only take sell trades near resistance, not in the middle of nowhere. All conditions matched perfectly. That's why I entered a sell trade with a 5-minute expiry on the 1-minute time frame, following the rules strictly. No guessing, no emotions. You can see that after rejecting the resistance zone, the price started to struggle to move higher. Instead of continuing up, the candles began to show weakness near the top, which is exactly what we expect in a sell setup. This phase is where many traders make mistakes by closing early or doubting the setup. But when you follow a rule-based strategy, your job is to trust the process, not react to every small candle. The market respected the resistance, stayed below it, and slowly started moving in our favor. Now, let's look at the final result. As expected, the price moved down from the resistance zone, and the trade closed in profit at expiry. This confirms that the setup was valid and the rules worked exactly as planned. Now, let's move to the next live example and continue learning. Now let me explain why this buy trade was taken. At this point on the chart, you can clearly see that the price is moving inside the channel, not outside it. The market came down and reached the lower side of the channel, which acts as a support zone according to our strategy. Exactly near this support area, the indicator generated a clear buy signal. This is very important because we only look for buy trades near support, not when price is already in the middle or too high. All the rules were satisfied and there was no confusion. That's why I confidently placed a buy trade with a 5-minute expiry on the 1-minute time frame, strictly following the system. After placing the buy trade, I did not rush or overthink. This is where patience plays a big role. The price initially showed small fluctuations, which is completely normal near support. What matters is that the price did not break the support zone strongly. Instead, it started forming small bullish candles, showing that buyers were stepping in. This is exactly why we wait for price to come to support before buying. When support holds, the market usually gives a reaction, even if it's not immediate. Now let's look at the final outcome. As expected, the price moved upward from the support area and the trade closed in profit at expiry. This confirms that the buy setup was valid and the market respected the support zone. If you're enjoying these clear chart explanations, make sure to follow and subscribe to the channel. I regularly share simple, practical strategies to help you understand the market better. Now let's move forward and check one more live example. Now let me explain why I decided to take this sell trade. At this point on the chart, the price moved up and touched the upper line of the channel, which works as a resistance zone in our strategy. Exactly at this resistance area, the indicator printed a sell signal. According to our trading rules, price was inside the channel, price was at resistance, a sell arrow appeared. So technically, this was a valid sell setup, and based on the system rules, I entered a sell trade with a 5-minute expiry on the 1-minute time frame. However, even though the rules matched, there was something important happening in the background that we must always pay attention to. Before this sell entry, the market had shown a strong bullish move from the support area. The price did not just bounce, it reversed aggressively and even broke the previous resistance level. That tells us one thing: buyers were strong, and bullish momentum was present. So, while the indicator gave a sell signal at resistance, the overall market strength was still bullish. This created uncertainty because strong momentum can sometimes push price beyond resistance instead of reversing. This is a perfect example of why we should not blindly trust signals alone. Context and momentum matter. At this stage, I personally felt that this sell trade was risky, and there was a high chance the price could continue upward instead of moving down. And sometimes, even after following rules, the market simply does not cooperate. Now let's look at the final result. The price continued to move upward, and the trade closed in loss. And that's completely okay. Losses are a normal part of trading, and no strategy in the world can win 100% of the time. This single loss does not mean the strategy is bad, and it does not affect our confidence. What matters is how we handle losses. We do not get emotional. We do not change rules after one loss. We do not chase the market. Instead, we learn from the situation, understand why momentum was strong, and move on to the next clean setup. So friends, that's it for today's video. In this video, you saw real market examples, not just winning trades, but also a losing trade. And that's exactly how real trading works. The goal is not to win every single trade, but to follow rules, manage risk, and stay consistent over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video because it really supports the channel. And if you want to keep learning simple, rule-based trading strategies, make sure to subscribe to AM Trading Tips and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. All the resources mentioned in this video are shared only for educational purposes. Please practice on a demo account first and trade responsibly. Thank you for watching, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, trade smart and stay focused.